If you know anybody that is battling with PCOS, call that person to watch this video or you send this video to that person. PCOS means polycystic ovarian syndrome. And when you want to treat PCOS, there are things that you should do to treat PCOS when you want to get pregnant. It's different from treating PCOS when you don't want to get pregnant. The first thing you should do when you have PCOS and you want to get pregnant: 1. Lifestyle modification. When I talk about lifestyle modification, what am I trying to say? Watch what you eat. Watch what you eat. It's very important. Your food. Don't eat anyhow. Your carbs should be minimal. Your carb intake should be minimal. Take like 20% carbs, 40% protein, 40% vegetables or fiber. That's how you should be eating when you are managing PCOS. It has a long way to reset your system, because eating food that are bad will cause your body to have inflammations, go through inflammatory process. Inflammation, you're just increasing your body's inflammation. Under lifestyle modification, exercise. You must exercise your body. You must shake your body when you are managing PCOS. You cannot just sit down and be dormant when you're managing PCOS. You must shake your body, because exercise, especially high intensity workouts like strength training, they will help to increase your insulin sensitivity when managing PCOS. Under lifestyle modification, you are going to cut out sugars, simple sugars. Cut it out. The first one I talked about was complex sugar. Carbs, which is carbs, all those with carb food that are high in carbohydrate like rice, yam, potatoes and all that. But if I'm talking about cut out simple sugar that are found in your pastries, your beverages, your sodas, your soft drinks and all that, cut it out. They will do what? They will spike up your blood glucose level in the blink of an eye. They will spike it up, and this could predispose you to insulin insensitivities, glucose intolerance, and later on type 2 diabetes. So please, you don't need sugar, anything that is sweet, when you're managing PCOS. Now, the second thing you should do: avoid red meat. Yes, avoid red meat when you're managing PCOS. Red meat is not your friend. Red meat will disrupt your body's hormones. You don't need red meat often. If you're the type that takes red meat every day, please reduce your intake. You can take like red meat like once a week. There are other options of proteins that you can take. You can take fish, chickens, turkey. There are other meats that you can take, but reduce red meat or avoid it if possible. Another thing that you should do when managing PCOS is to avoid or reduce your intake of food that are stored in plastics, or food that was heated with plastic in a microwave. Please avoid it. Don't heat your food with plastic in a microwave when you're trying to get pregnant and you're managing PCOS. It's not good. It's going to disrupt your hormones, your hormonal function. Please. Another thing that you should do in managing PCOS is sleep. You need sleep as a woman when you're trying to get pregnant. When you have PCOS, you need sleep. Enough sleep, like 7 to 8 hours of sleep in the night. You need it. Your body needs to rest to avoid the release of cortisol, which is a stress hormone. When it's released into your body, it will alter your cycle and lead to some other fertility issues. You need to sleep, love sleep, and like sleep. Another thing that you should take or do when managing PCOS: cabbage water. These things I'm telling you, they are natural things to do or take when managing PCOS. Natural things. Natural. Take cabbage water every day. Take cabbage water. Take cabbage water. When you're done taking the cabbage water, that fiber inside, you can use it to prepare any other thing like cabbage swallow. But take cabbage water every day when you're managing PCOS. Cabbage water. Don't slack on it. Cabbage water. Don't slack on it when you're managing PCOS.